Hi, today I'm gonna make a bundt cake, a marzipan bundt cake. I already buttered my pan. Right before I'm gonna put the dough in, I'm gonna put a little flour over it. I dust it over it. I would need my glasses first. And we're gonna start with, in a medium bowl, okay, crumble the marzipan and two tablespoons of water. And I got a little bit more. It asks for 4 ounces. This is 5. Maybe I eat the rest for now. Since I crumble this in there. I love marzipan. I think people in America don't use marzipan enough. I got this at this one I got at the World Market in LA when I was traveling. Can you even see what I'm doing? Let's put this over here for now. Here, there. I add a little bit of water to it and put it in the microwave. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Sorry. This is tasty. 1, 2. Okay, put in the microwave for 30 seconds. So, actually, it becomes kind of like a paste. Like this. Flour. 1 and 1.5. You know what? I'm going to actually wing it a little bit, and add a little bit of almond flour to it to make it more almondy. One, 2, 3. So 1 teaspoon is 1, 2 halves. Add a little bit of nutmeg. How much does it say? Quarter teaspoon. I think that's probably it. And then cinnamon. I don't want to do tangerine. I'm going to use a little bit of my lemon from my tree. Like this. It's just very lightly dusted. Another bowl I can lick out later. I soften it a little bit. I want to add this in here. Okay, 3/4 cup. This is a 1/4 cup. 1, 2, 3. This, I add a little bit of almond extract. Put a little bit in here. Generously, there. Over here. Put this in here. A 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Coffee. This is just the wet ingredients. I'm going to add the dry ingredients now. So that was the wet ingredient. I'm going to add the dry ingredients, and if necessary, I'm going to have a little bit of milk slash cream in there too. So I do this a little bit by a time. So, I'm going to add a little bit of let me see how much it says here. Finally add the flour mix and combine until smooth. Don't overmix, and a half cup. It's smooth. Do not overmix. Just to show you, this is how it looks. There, and off it goes into the oven. Any browner wouldn't have been good. I cooked it longer, probably 45 minutes.